Hello and welcome. We are going to undertake a step-by-step over-the-shoulder 5-part video course where we're going to walk through 5 processes that will help you to market your Etsy store. These processes will require you to have your Etsy store open, as well as at least 1 or 2 listings available in order to practice these processes to master them. One site that we'll be using throughout this process will be canva.com. So if you have an account with Canva, you'll be able to use it. If you don't have one, you can set one up free at canva.com. We'll also be referring to video screen recording software, Loom, which allows you to record your screen either from your desktop or from your Google Chrome browser. And we will be talking about email marketing. Now, when we speak of email marketing, we'll be using the site GetResponse. However, you don't need to use GetResponse as your email service provider. You can use whichever service that you already have or that you're most comfortable with. You'll just need to replicate the steps that we're taking in GetResponse in your own email service provider. And in the last set of processes, we'll be talking about YouTube. And so if you have a YouTube channel, this will be especially helpful to you when we start that part of the promotional process. Now you'll notice that this course is going to be sequenced, so it will be most helpful to you to start with the first process, proceed to the second, and then on through the 5th in order in which they were created. With that, thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the first process.